What is up, everybody? In this video we're going to be taking a look at Polymath. Now this is one that wasn't on the list, but it recently jumped up, and I mean in the last few hours over 140% is what we're up right now. Now this was all the way up to 65 cents. What on earth? That is almost, 280%? So I figured there's going to be a lot of eyes on this right now, and I should probably do a chart, because I'd like to be the first one out there and give you maybe a realistic expectation instead of giving you just a bunch of signals pumping it and telling you to buy it. So yes, unlike usual, I've already drawn this on the chart here because this is what I'm anticipating. I'm really anticipating one of two things, and I'm going to put a couple other levels right here. So the first thing we want to watch for is it going to break this level right here at 459. Now if it can maintain and keep bouncing off, what I'm expecting is we will continue to seesaw and whip back and forth inside this pennant, or some formation of this pennant. It may look more like that, it may end up looking more like that, but some formation of this pennant, we're going to zigzag back and forth. Now once we reach the tip, or once we start to break out in either direction, there's a couple of things we want to look for. Now if you're the type that's going long, you want to buy and go long, you're wanting to wait for a break of the pennant, retest the pennant, and you can take your long position here. If you're looking for a short position, you want to wait for it to break the pennant lower, retest, and you can take your short position right in here. Now if you're going short, the positions I would watch is 40 cents even, 33 cents, and then even all the way down to this 78% retracement at 2535. Right, so if you're going short, I would watch those positions. Now if you inversely are wanting to go long, of course we are waiting for the breakout of that pennant that we know is there, so we can go long right here, but we can go lower, so be very careful of that. Now is there any divergence to be afraid of on the chart? Well, no, it's straight up price action, straight up index. Everything is, the last green action we had was here. Everything is good, but there's definitely going to be profit taking, so be very, very careful. If it does break the top side of the pennant, it retests, and we find a long entry, what is our price target for this next run? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. We'll take point A, which is the start of the impulse, point B, which is the end of the impulse, and at this point it's speculative. It's very subject to what happens next, but say we hold the bottom line of this pennant right here. Well, my next price target would be right up here. Okay, this is a conservative price target, but it would be at the 76 cents mark. Now that is quite the move. We would have to wait for confirmation. My entry would probably be around 64, and I would be in to scalp the 64 to 76. Now with this being an hour time frame, if we do see the confirmation, I would see this target within 48 hours, and that would be my anticipation. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a professional trader, and you personally should never listen to anybody on any social media platform. Always do your own due diligence, and always, guys, hit the thumbs up under this video, hit that subscribe button, and if you want a chart analyzed, leave it in the comments below. Much love. We'll see you on the next video.